Have you ever wondered what a simple lemon could do for your plants? Nature hides its secrets in the smallest things, and today I'm revealing one of them. Just imagine, you take one lemon, bury it in the soil, and within weeks, you'll notice results that will truly surprise you. Here's how it works. Take a fresh, whole lemon. Now, carefully insert a few cloves into its skin. These cloves are packed with antifungal and antibacterial properties, while the lemon itself is rich in nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and natural citric acid. When combined, they create a slow-release booster that enriches the soil, keeps harmful microbes away, and even discourages pests from attacking the roots. Once the cloves are inside, simply bury the lemon a few inches deep near the base of your plant. Water the area as usual. As the lemon breaks down, it steadily releases goodness into the soil, improving plant health, boosting root growth, and naturally strengthening your garden without chemicals. This is nature's way of healing and feeding. Simple, safe, and powerful. So next time you have a lemon, don't just use it in the kitchen. Bury it in your garden and watch the magic unfold. Your plants will thank you in their own green, vibrant language.